caught up in a fable. I watched the tower grow. 5-year plans and new deals wrapped in golden chains. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Heard the singers playing, and I cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together, trying to keep each other warm. And still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Peace out.